Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming connectors and powering the converter. This ensures signal negotiation and avoids sync errors. First, plug your PC's VGA cable into the converter's VGA in, then attach the monitor output only if needed for simultaneous viewing. Once the converter has power, connect the composite RCA yellow to the display's video input and the red/white for audio. Make sure to set the PC's resolution to a compatible mode so the converter can scale correctly and display a stable picture. Once done with basic hookups, you configure timing and format so the converter interprets the signal properly. Use your graphics control panel to choose a progressive mode and a standard refresh like 60 Hz. This reduces flicker. Then, on the converter itself, select NTSC or PAL depending on your display. Choose aspect ratio to avoid stretching. If the image has jitter, receipt cables and swap RCA leads. Poor shielding often causes artifacts. So testing to finish, power cycle devices in a controlled order so the converter reads the source on startup. This often locks the correct format. You should verify audio and video sync, tweak aspect if needed, and secure all cable clamps. If you see no picture, first confirm the VGA source outputs to another monitor. If that works, the converter or cabling is suspect. Key troubleshooting tip: try a different 5V supply and short, well-shielded RCA cables. Many issues are power or cable related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.